Hello. For this presentation for the assignment Unit 6, I'm going to showcase the visualization of the various network, that is network 2 and network 3, based on the dataset given. So for the network 2, the structure is actually having a dense interconnected layout with several nodes clustered centrally and others spread out. This suggests a mix of hub and spoke and mesh-like connectivity. The betweenness highlights that various nodes like Falcon, Raven, and Serpent, those having the large red circles, have high betweenness, indicating they are critical hubs or bottlenecks. If compromised by malware, these nodes could spread it widely. Nodes like Cyber and Gizmo, smaller greener circles, have lower betweenness, suggesting less centrality. The fragility of the network appears to be fragile due to the reliance on a few high betweenness nodes. Removing Falcon or Raven could disconnect significant portions, disrupting communication. And if a malware on a high betweenness node could propagate rapidly through the dense central cluster. The performance is actually under failure is if a key node like a Falcon goes offline, some nodes, e.g. the Doomsday, ZeroCon, might lose connectivity, indicating vulnerability. For the next structure, that is for the network 3, similar to network 2, it has a dense central cluster with some dense nodes, like Orbit and Serpent, extending outward. The layout is slightly less centralized than network 2. The betweenness highlights that nodes like Falcon, Raven, and Serpent again show high betweenness, the red circles, in acting as hubs. Nodes like Cyber and Gizmo remain less central, which are the smaller greener circles. Nodes like Cyber Gizmo are remaining like they are less central. The fragility is that the network is also fragile with the high betweenness, not serving as bottlenecks. However, there is a slightly more distributed layout, suggesting slightly better resilience than the network 2. Malware spread will still be rapidly from key nodes, but the impact of a single node failure might be less severe due to alternative paths. Performance. Losing a node like Falcon will disrupt connectivity, but not like Saboteur and Wrath might retain some links, indicating moderate robustness. The comparison for this is that both networks have the same number of employees, that is nodes, but network 2 appears more fragile due to a tighter central cluster. Around the high betweenness nodes. Network 3 has a slightly more distributed structure, offering better redundancy. Security risks are comparable but not identical. Network 2 is more vulnerable to single point failures, while Network 3 might handle node outages better. Recommendation is that prioritize security, that is for Network 2, like firewalls, malware scans on Falcon, Raven, and Serpent to mitigate malware spread. Encourage alternative communication paths to reduce dependency on these hubs. Monitor these nodes in real time for early detection. For network 3, focus on security on Falcon, Raven, and Serpent, as well, but also strengthen less central nodes, e.g. the Orbit, to enhance overall resilience. Promote distributed communication to further reduce bottleneck risks. Consider network restructuring to balance connectivity and reduce reliance on high betweenness nodes. Thank you. That's my presentation for Unit 6.